Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Clipchamp not opening on your Windows. Let's begin. First, I want you to click on the Start menu over here, type Settings, click on this, or you can easily type and look for Apps and Features. Since this is where we would like to access Clipchamp. Then on the search bar, type Clipchamp, double click on it, then choose Advanced Options. Now scroll down and I want you to focus your attention on this section which says repair. Click on it. Now depending how severe it might be, it might take a few seconds to a few minutes for this process to complete. Once done, you can now minimize this window, then open Clipchamp. Now, everything should now be working smoothly without any issues. However, if the problem still persists, you might want to go back there and choose reset instead. As it says, if this app isn't working right, reset everything. This app's data will be deleted. So just keep that in mind. Now, once done, you can now go ahead, restart Clipchamp, and just to make sure everything runs smoothly, you can also do a system restart. Basically, following all of these steps should now make your Clipchamp work. I hope you found this video very helpful.